Alright guys, now in the previous video we have got the administrator username and the password, the credentials. Now let's see what we can do with this crackmap exec, that is the post exploitation. So let's open this help page of the SMB protocol. As you can see here, you can get the SAM hashes from the system, and let us say dump, and also NTDS, and the shares, and the sessions, disks, lockdown users, and users. You can enumerate the user information and the groups information, and also you can give the WMI query, and you can also spider the shares to get the all the information. So let's go ahead and run few methods to see what this looks like. And I'm going to say IP address and the domain. Now let's give the username and the password. So now what we're going to do is we need to say shares, so that is which we have done in the previous video. Now hit enter. Now you guys can see we have got all the shares. We can use the SMB client to connect to these shares and see what are the contents of these shares. So now we can say sessions. So there is only one session for the administrator. So let's say users. Let's find out what are the users, how many users are there in this domain: administrator, guest, Kerberos ticket granting server, and user 1, and CSC admin. So this is the information we have got from the LDAP domain dump, right? So in the LDAP domain dump we have used this same information, username and the password of the administrator, and we have got the same information. So let's say groups. So we have got all the groups. To enumerate the particular group, you need to say groups, and you need to specify the group you want to enumerate to. Let's say CSE1. So it will display all the users in that group. So as you can see, the user 1, so only user 1 belongs to CSE1. So let's see another group, that is say DNS admins. So I think only administrator. So only administrator is the DNS admin. Okay. Let's see users group. So we have only the domain users. So users group contain domain users as a group. So okay, let's move on to another one. We can also dump the SAM hashes. So these are the SAM hashes, and you can crack them with this John the Ripper. So if there are any other users currently logged on, you will get those hashes also. So what we're going to do is, now we are going to spider. In this spider we need to specify from which directory you need to search for the files. You need to say C, and C onwards you need to give the pattern. Suppose I want to search for text files, and now hit enter. Now it will start searching for the text files. So it will give so much of information. I'm just stopping this. So you can see these are all the text files we have got. You can see all are the text files. So you can also do so much with this crackmap exec as a post exploitation tool. So you can also get the disk information. So let's try the disk information. So we have got only the two drives, C and D drive. So D drive is a DVD drive that contains the ISO file. So guys, that's all for this crackmap exec as a post exploitation. Once you got the credentials, you can use so many options of this crackmap exec to get more information.